What's up, guys? How are you doing? Hoping that you're doing good. My name is Bonari Nyakina, and welcome to this vlog. So they say if you want to reset your mind, go where the Wi-Fi is the weakest, but your peace of mind is the strongest. And today I want to take you guys along with me to Karura Forest because I want to touch some grass, get one with nature, do a nice little 5 kilometer run because I find nature to be very, very therapeutic. And I'm not gonna lie, I need it. I do need it because I'm really going through it. And this is one of the ways that I use to reset myself. No pressure, no nothing, just a very chill 5 kilometer run. And yeah. If you don't know how to get to Karura Forest through public means, I'm gonna tell you. So you get to town, and then from town there are two major stages. There's one in Koja where you get to take bus number 11B. Hiyo itakuachia in the main entrance, which is at Limuru Road, Gate A. But if you want to go through Kiambu Road, you go just right behind National Archives, utachukua gari za number 100. Hizo zitakushukishia Gate C. Usually transport is about 50 to 100 shillings when it's like the rush hours. Myself, I'm going on a Saturday, which is an easy day. There should be no traffic today. And also I'm coming through Thika Road. So nitachukua basi and then I will alight at Muthaiga and then cross over to Kiambu Road, and that's where I'll take a matatu to connect to Gate C on Kiambu Road, and that's pretty much it. No struggle, just like easy peasy. So let's go. Let me first of all show you guys my outfit before I step out. So you need very comfortable, outfits when you're going there because sometimes it can get like it's the forest, so this soil is really really soft and it can get muddy. You need to have a nice pair of shoes. I usually like joggers, but in terms of dress code, wear anything that makes you comfortable. Comfortable can be defined by yourself. I don't have to do it for you. So here is what myself I'm wearing. So it's this nice top and these beautiful leggings which are thrifted, with these shoes which I just got from near where I stay at the hawkers places, and that's pretty much it. It's very hot outside, but since I know it might get cold, it's the forest, so I'm gonna carry this with me. Obviously I throw it on because I don't want those cat calls, so I'm gonna put it on when I'm stepping out, but you know that's pretty much it. One thing that I think you guys also need to know is that when you're going to Karura Forest, do not carry the plastic bottles, plastics, anything, even with the snacks, because you're not going to go in with them. Just put your water in your water bottle and then carry it. Or if you want to do a picnic or something, buy your snacks and then transfer them into nice usable dishes. I lost the original audio for this video, but basically what I was trying to say is how excited I was for the walk, and also to break it down for you guys on the entrance fee. So as you can see on the screens, I've broken down that for you. There's just a lot of activities that you can do in Karura Forest. You can go there by yourself, like I did, or you can go with your friends. I mean, the more the merrier. And activities include, walking and jogging like I did a nice 5 kilometer. It was so fulfilling. By the time I was done with this walk, I had already released a lot of tension from my body, and a lot of pain was like going out. It was so good. I can't recommend it enough. You can also do cycling. You can rent out a bike right there at 600 shillings. There's also places that are dedicated to picnics, so it should be about 200, 300 shillings. They're about for bird lovers, there's bird watching and butterfly watching. The animals, ziko tu nyingi, just go with your binoculars if you need to, but you'll just be out with nature. Also, you can explore the Mau Mau caves. You'll see I did these in this video. Also, I went to the waterfall, so stay tuned for that. You can also do horse riding and dog walking, because there are dedicated paths where you can walk your dogs, and it is very, very well curated.